So it's amazing that that battery sat for a year and a half and it still had 100% health and 100% charged. I have that battery currently in the testing lawn tractor and it runs great. I took a battery out of a Toro wheel horse in the shed because I haven't used this battery in like a year. Let's see if this battery works. So this battery is actually a AGM battery for a lawn tractor. How about that, huh? This is really good. 250 CCIs. So let's test this battery. It's been sitting in that Toro wheel horse for like a year and a half with this battery in it throughout the winter and stuff. Let's see if it's good. Wow! 100% healthy, 100% charged, and it's been sitting there for a year. That's amazing. Then I'll install this battery and give it a couple cranks.